Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Eagles Education. I am your friend Divya and today we will learn sorting materials into groups. So let's start. Contents: Introduction, needs for classification, and basis or measures of classification. Introduction: In our daily life, we come across many objects which are of different types. While some are different from each other, others are similar. These different objects need to be separated from each other, otherwise they will get mixed. Needs for classification: For easy identification of objects, for studying them easily, for a tidy place. If you do not separate the objects, they will create a messy room. And to locate things easily. Basis or measures of classification: appearance, hardness, density, transparency, conductivity, etc. There are numerous methods, but we will learn about some of them, the most common ones. Appearance: On the basis of appearance, materials can be lustrous or shiny, like gold and diamond. Second, non-lustrous or dull, like wood or paper. Hardness: On the basis of hardness, materials can be soft, like soft toys and cloth, hard, like wood and stone. Density: Density means either floating or sinking. On the basis of density, materials can be lighter than water, they will float on the surface of water, like feather. Heavier than water, they will sink in water, like pebbles. Equal to water, such substances will float just below the surface of water, like coin. Transparency: On the basis of transparency, materials can be transparent. They allow light to easily pass through them, like glass. Translucent: They allow light to partially pass through them, like butter paper. Opaque: They don't allow light to pass through them, like mirror. Conductivity: On this basis, materials can be conductors. They allow electricity or heat to easily pass through them, like wires. Insulators: They do not allow electricity or heat to be transferred or pass through them easily, like plastic. So friends, this was all for today. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. And the most important, share this video with your friends so that they can also learn something new. Thank you.